Hey Summer, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda in Hoover, just reaching out to you. Thank you for taking my call earlier this morning. I know you're up there in Montgomery looking for information on some of the Accord hybrids. This is one of my last remaining 2018s that we were speaking about. This is the touring package. I've got EXs and EXLs in stock as well. Clearance pricing going on now through the end of the year. We got a big number to hit with Honda, so we're going to be more aggressive than any other dealer in this in the area here. And just wanted to introduce myself. You can contact me, Summar, at 205-504-2358 with any questions you may have about the product. Again, Trent Tate with Tameron Honda, and I can make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.